Hi, I am Muno Matthias Elango. I am a business and transactional lawyer here in Bamenda, Cameroon. Now, today's dose of the Legal Smart series is how to know when you need a lawyer and when you don't need a lawyer. Now, in Cameroon, not every problem means you must hire or pay a lawyer, but some cases are serious and need legal help. So, how do you know when you need a lawyer and when you don't need a lawyer? When you don't need a lawyer, these are the instances where you don't need a lawyer. You do not need a lawyer for small issues like a simple land boundary disagreement between family members. You do not need a lawyer for a small quarrel with a neighbor or a friend. You do not need a lawyer to fix a basic agreement between two people. You do not need a lawyer when it comes to some small council fines or penalties from councils when your shop has been sealed. In these cases, you can either talk things out directly to maybe by going through the chief or the quarter head, or maybe you go to the council by yourself, or to the council office, or to the market master. Now, there are other instances that you must use a lawyer. You must use a lawyer. But please, you have to consult a lawyer if any of these things happen. If you are summoned or arrested or taken to a police or gendarmerie or state council, you need a lawyer. If someone takes you to court or you want to sue someone, you need a lawyer. If you are going through a divorce or fighting for child custody, you need a lawyer. If you have a land problem with documents involved, you need a lawyer. If someone stole your land and has made a land certificate over it, please consult a lawyer. If you are starting a business or buying a property, you need a lawyer. If you are applying for asylum or visa, or you need help with some paperwork, you need a lawyer. If someone died and there's confusion over inheritance, you need a lawyer. If you have a business with someone and that person brings a prepaid contract or agreement, you need a lawyer. So the list is not exhaustive. So my people, if your case can affect your money, freedom, or future, please don't take chances. Talk to a lawyer and endeavor to comply with the lawyer's requirement, because you have to pay consultation, legal fees, and other incidental fees depending on your particular case. It is better to ask than to regret later, for ignorance of the law is no excuse. Thank you very much.